Here we have a 2009 Crownline 240 LS. Does have the walk-through windshield, lounge seating in the front. Also has the windscreen you could close along with the windshield to keep the wind down if you're out and it's cool at night. Snapping carpet, very good condition. Bolster seats. There is a bimini top, cockpit and bow cover, and also a big mooring cover there. U-shaped seating in the back. There is a cushion for the middle there. Has a Mercruiser 350 mag in it. Bravo 3 outdrive with stainless steel dual props. Storage under all the seats. Tilt steering, stereo. Looks like 535 hours there. Rated for 12 people. There is a fully enclosed pump out porta potty with a sink shower in it. Very good condition boat. They took really good care of it. We do offer financing here at SkipperBud's. Stop in and check this one out.